What's up, guys? So today I went to the dealership to get some price on some parts on the Viper just to see how much it cost with Richie. And we're about to go over some parts just out of curiosity on how much they cost on the Dodge Viper ACR Extreme. So I hope you guys are ready. So we'll start with the front rotors, the carbon ceramics, and the backs. Actually, they're all the same price. So we're looking at $4,659 each, so about $19,000 plus tax. Pretty nice, not bad, huh, Richie?
Not bad at all.
Not bad at all. All right, what do we got next? We got the hood. Oh yeah, hold that. So we got the hood, $24,668 without the vents and unpainted. That's not bad at all. It's about what, 26 grand plus tax?
That's a lot.
Or 26, with tax?
Yeah.
We got the wing. Oh, this is a good one. Come over here. All right, so with the wing alone, just the top part alone, without these, how much? $16,962, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's not bad. And then these things are about 1,100 and change each for each side. And then this is where it gets good.
The fence.
The plates right here. These ones are $3,608 each before tax, obviously. What's next? We got the tailgate, that smaller part right here. How much?
$5,407.
That's not bad. And then you got the block with the core, $24,310. And then the diffusers are what, $360 each? Not bad. And the last one is the front splitter. Yeah. $2,486 for this small piece of plastic. Not including that. So yeah, it's not bad. It's
Only $112,000.
by the way, half of these parts are discontinued, so if I do get into a crash, you know what that means.
Yeah.
What do you think, Jason? Not bad, huh? How much is the total? $112,608.
Yep.
Not bad.
Give me a headache.
Peace.